2 years before, I was not the same as I am now. I was not able to walk that time. My left side was weakened because of the hemiparesis I had. And the total limbs, I was not able to walk because my legs were weakened and my arms were weakened. And I was not able to walk at all. And I was locked up in a room where I will be sitting alone. My only companion will be the universe. I don't know what will be my destiny, what I will be doing next. I was not so aware. I used to question always, why this for me? Inside the single room, I don't know what I have to do. Even without able to walk, even without able to leap around, I don't know what I have to do. I used to always question, why this trouble for me? Many of us have the same condition, like we will always question, why this for me? Why this condition for me? Why this trouble for me? Why this kind of situation for me? Why this hurt for me? Why people are hurting me? So much of me's. And I'm sure this kind of things are not created by somebody outside. It is created by ourselves. When I was locked in the room, I was not aware of what kind of negativity I'm bringing in myself. I was so restricted. I was not aware that it is my restriction, the boundaries I had. I was born and brought up in a conservative family, and the traditional restrictions, the societal restrictions, everything has created a negative impulse. And I don't know exactly that I am the trouble. I am not able to understand. I used to always question the universe. I used to question the universe, and I used to ask, why this happened to me? What is my destiny? Where is my destination? I was not aware. I don't know where I'm going to go next. I don't know how I will live hereafterwards. I was not even clear that whether my limbs will get correct or not. But for whatever the question I asked, universe promptly answered. The trouble is not me. The trouble is in you. The universe answered. I realized that I am the co-creator of my destiny. The universe said, see, I am abundant. See, I am everywhere. I am in each and every living being. You all share my source. So, whatever you want, you can create through me. I realized that I am sharing the same source. I am from the same source of every living being, and I can create my own destiny. I realized that I can be able to create anything, manifest anything, whatever I want. I was so wary. I realized that it is me who was attracted the sadness, the sorrow, the trouble inside my life, my limitations, my thoughts, the limitations of my thoughts, the restrictions what I had, everything created the negative impulse in my life. And that negativity is filled all over me. And finally, when I realized that one, I thought, oh my God, is that me? Is this the person who I ever wanted to be? No. Then I started manifesting things. Then I started dreaming. Oh, the universe said. I realized the universe is so abundant. So abundant. The universe said. I realized that I can create whatever I want from that, because I am the co-creator of the destiny, of my own destiny. I can create, I can manifest whatever I want, because the universe is abundant. The universe is ready to give whatever I want. Universe is ready to provide me with all the comfortabilities, but it is me who have had the complete limitations on my. And when I realized all these things, I started manifesting whatever I wanted. I started manifesting my health. I regained my health back. And now I am able to walk. Now I am talking with you with all my settings in this room. And I was able to buy a new car. I was able to build up my new company. And everything I was able because I realized that I am the co-creator of my destiny. And whatever I wanted, universe was always ready to give. Now also, whenever I am questioning, whenever I am thinking about what I want, then the universe readily gives it to me. I realized it is me who had the limitation. But when I realized the limitation and just popped out of that, finally I am able to make whatever I want. So I stopped asking questions, why this for me? Because I understood this trouble is only because of me. When I stopped everything and started sending out the positive vibrations, finally I am able to make whatever I want. I think you can too.